Performing maintenance on a power plant is a big job, but it's essential to ensuring we can provide reliable electrical service to our customers. Idaho Power's largest natural gas-fired power plant recently underwent major maintenance on its 2 turbines. Langley Gulch generates electricity in 2 ways. Burning natural gas spins the larger turbine, which powers an electrical generator. Heat from the gas turbine is used to create steam in a separate unit, which spins a second turbine, adding to the plant's output. At full capacity, this plant can power more than 230,000 average homes. Langley Gulch has been online for about 10 years, so the turbines were due for scheduled maintenance. While the plant was shut down, we also performed some upgrades, which will increase the plant's capacity. Several Idaho Power teams supported this project, which took several weeks in March and April. We often choose spring and fall to do large-scale maintenance that requires a power plant to shut down, because that's when demand for electricity is lowest. Just like maintaining a car, keeping our power plants in tip-top shape helps ensure they will be ready to serve our customers in the months and years ahead.